So I want to do a spicy ramen challenge. One of these instant ramens. There's a whole wall here. Which one's the spiciest one here, you think?
So, I don't know, stuff like this. I mean, this is red pepper noodle. This is kimchi. This just says like super spicy.
Okay, let's go with that one.
I kind of want to try this. I don't know. These don't look spicy though. They're not spicy.
Yeah, these are good. Look at that, looks good.
Yeah, that looks delicious.
Let's get it.
We're just gonna get one. Are we both gonna try it? I kind of want one. It says #1.
I'm sure they're all #1 at something.
Yeah. That's true.
Hey guys, how's it going? Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to try this. I love spicy food. This is a spicy cup noodle ramen that I found in the store. I don't know anything about it. I don't know if it's like known to be deadly. I don't know if it's like supposed to be super hot or whatever.
Mountain of spice. It's a Korean brand. So.
Hopefully you can see me okay. And the ramen, here it is. Put the water in. It's been about 3 minutes. So let me know in the comments if you've tried this. Here, let me take this off. Tried this ramen before? Kit says it might be Korean.
I think they still have the steaks.
It looks pretty red though. I don't know if you can see that. All right, let's try this thing. See if I could stand it. I could smell the spice. It also smells really good. It's really good, but it is spicy.
Can I try it?
Let's see what Kit.
Oh, yeah, you could smell the spice. And I don't do spice well, so. Oh, yeah, there's a kick. Oh!
What do you think?
I'm gonna try the broth.
Ooh, that's dangerous.
Oh, it kicked me in the back of the throat. But it's like, it's spicy. Yeah, no.
What are you eating?
I'm eating like a garlic, non-spicy yakisoba.
Is that the one that I bought too?
Yeah, I'm eating your last one.
Wait, what? I wanted to try it.
Oh, well, you want to try it?
We bought two, one for me and one for you.
Yeah, but you weren't eating them, so.
What do you mean I wasn't eating them? What if I wanted that one?
But,
That one is really good.
yeah, I think I actually like that one better though.
You like the ramen, huh? Oh, damn. Woo! It was like crazy. I'd recommend it though. It actually the taste is very good. This is what I do while I eat this spicy ramen. I sit here and watch YouTube videos. Incredible discoveries found underground that changed history. Pretty interesting so far. My mouth is on fire.
Complete battle-worn remains of King Richard III, although he was not officially identified. Number 6, the Victoria Cave.
Little on the hot side.
You definitely got to the bottom of it.
I think I'm getting used to it. Can't feel anything anymore. Just got a little bit of broth left there, and that's where all the spices end up. Oh, I feel like I'm shaking, like it's torture or something. It's the next day. The ramen was really spicy, but also really good. If you guys have any recommendations for instant foods or instant ramens or maybe some spice challenges, I'd be so down to try them. Leave them in the comments below. Anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Doing more of these at-home videos, so hopefully you liked it. Gonna keep trying to come up with some cool content for you guys. I have some ideas planned. Thanks so much for watching, and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.